The secret life of plants. Can they really sense us? Plants seem passive. They stand rooted in place. Yet there's a hidden world within them, a world of senses. Plants are acutely aware of their surroundings. They react to light, touch, even sound. But can they sense something as subtle as human presence? The answer, it turns out, is surprisingly complex and fascinating. For centuries, we've underestimated plants. We've seen them as inanimate objects, but scientific discoveries are changing that. Plants communicate. They defend themselves. They even react to our emotions. While they might not see us in the way we do, they certainly perceive us. Their senses are different. They rely on chemical signals, vibrations, and electrical impulses. They might not have eyes or ears, but they have their own remarkable ways of understanding the world around them. This hidden world of plant intelligence is only beginning to reveal its secrets. Whispers from the Green World: How Plants React to Stimuli. Plants react to a surprising range of stimuli. Take touch, for example. The Venus flytrap snaps shut when an insect triggers its delicate hairs. The Mimosa pudica, known as the sensitive plant, folds its leaves inward when touched. This is a rapid defense mechanism. Light, of course, is crucial for plants. They grow towards it, a process called phototropism, but they also differentiate between light colors. They absorb red light for photosynthesis and use blue light to determine the direction of growth. Even sound waves can influence plants. Studies have shown that certain frequencies can promote growth while others hinder it. Some plants even release pollen in response to the buzz of pollinating insects. These are just a few examples of the incredible ways plants interact with their environment. Their sensory world is far richer than we once imagined. And as we delve deeper, we're discovering more and more about their hidden abilities. Decoding the language of plants. Mechanisms of perception. Plants don't have brains or nervous systems like animals. So how do they perceive and react to stimuli? The answer lies in a complex network of chemical and electrical signals. When a plant senses a touch, for instance, it triggers a cascade of electrical signals. These signals travel through specialized cells, much like nerves in animals. These signals then initiate a response, like the Venus flytrap's snap or the mimosa's leaf folding. Plants also communicate internally using hormones. These chemical messengers travel through the plant's vascular system, carrying information about environmental changes. This allows different parts of the plant to coordinate their responses. One of the most fascinating aspects of plant perception is their ability to sense chemicals in the air and soil. This allows them to detect the presence of nearby plants, even potential threats. They can then adjust their growth and defenses accordingly. Plants that remember, plants that feel. Experiments and observations. Scientists have conducted remarkable experiments that demonstrate the extent of plant intelligence. For example, researchers have shown that mimosa plants can learn to ignore harmless stimuli. By repeatedly dropping water on their leaves, they trained the plants to stop folding in response. This suggests a basic form of learning and memory. Other studies have investigated the possibility of plant sentience. While this remains a controversial topic, some researchers believe that plants might experience a rudimentary form of consciousness. They point to evidence of complex communication, problem-solving abilities, and even emotional responses. One famous experiment demonstrated that plants seem to react to human emotions. Two groups of plants were subjected to different treatments. One group was treated with care and affection, while the other was neglected and subjected to negative talk. The results were striking. The nurtured plants thrived, while the neglected ones showed signs of stress and wilting. While more research is needed, these findings challenge our traditional view of plants as passive organisms. They suggest a level of awareness and complexity that we're only beginning to understand. The more we learn about the secret life of plants, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover.